Oh no, the evil twin is back. Jerry, that's not Super Truck. Hey, Super Truck, your evil twin is creating a mess. There he is, looking all smug. Careful, Super Truck. Looks like he's up to something. Watch out!
Oh?
Hey, Tom, Super Truck needs your help. Yikes! Can you tell which one is Super Truck? Take your time, Tom. You have to pick one.
Oh!
Great. Let's take him to your garage for repair.
Yay! Oh?
Bye, Jerry. You need to wake him up before the inspection. Nice. A bucket of water is perfect. Oh no, you picked the evil twin. Calm down, Tom. Let's get the real Super Truck. Phew. At least he won't know you confused him with his evil twin. Let's wake him up. Welcome back, Super Truck. Remember the collision? Don't worry. Tom will fix you up. It's inspection time. Your bumper is broken. Tom, ready to start? Which bumper will fit, Super Truck? Too big.
Yay!
Yes, you got it. Super Truck is finally back to normal. Ready to clear your evil twin's mess?
Yay!
Tom, do you have something else for Super Truck?
Woo!
Aha! A water hose to help you clean up the city. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye. Your evil twin is relentless.
Huh?
Quick, use your water hose. See, Jerry, it was all the evil twin's fault. Let's clean up Jerry first.
Hey!
Nicely done. Now let's clean up the city. The city is shining again. Hey, Super Truck, are you going to break down those ice blocks? Sounds like you've hit something hard. You better pull out. Stop! It's a rock. You can't drill through that. Try again, Super Truck. Tom, quick! Super Truck needs your help. Let's fix him up in your garage. Tom, let's do the inspection. Wow, Super Truck, you must be really strong to get your frame bent like that.
Yay!
The drill is also missing in action. Well, Tom, ready to start?
Hey.
Good choice. A hammer will get the job done. Don't worry, Super Truck. It's almost done. Nice. Let's give you a new drill. Which drill size will fit Super Truck? That will be too small for him. Try another one. Yes, that's perfect. You'll need a welding machine to fix it.
Yay!
Super Truck is fully repaired.
Hey!
Tom, do you have something else for him?
Yay!
Ah, a radar will detect if there's any danger before drilling.
Ooh.
Bye-bye, Tom. Thanks for your help. The Super Truck, aren't you forgetting something? The radar. Looks like you found something, so drill carefully. Ah, it was another rock. That radar really came in handy. Baby trucks can access the school playground. Always check that everything is safe before drilling. Nice Halloween costume, Barry. Are you out trick-or-treating? Hey, Matilda. How's Halloween night going? Oh, no. It's your evil twin, the police robot. Nice. She's no match for you. Be careful, Matilda. There's a spider web lurking in the dark. Watch out! Hey, Tom. Matilda needs your help. You better fix her in your garage. Tom, time for inspection. Your bumper really felt the impact of the crash. Ouch, that scratch looks painful. But Tom will fix you up. Ready to start?
Yay!
Let's give you a new bumper. Okay, Tom, can you pick out the right size for Matilda? How about a bigger and stronger one instead? Yes,
Yay!
that's perfect.
Yay!
You're definitely stronger. Now, let's paint that scratch.
Hey!
What paint color does Matilda need? Great, that's the correct color.
Hey.
Now you're ready to paint. Great job. Matilda feels much better now. Matilda is ready to go and catch her evil twin. Looks like Tom is up to something.
Yay!
Aha! Night vision binoculars to see things more clearly in the dark. Are you looking for the police robot? Wonder who that is. Yikes! It's the police robot trying to trick you with her cowboy hat. She won't get away this time. Uh-oh! The police robot hasn't seen the spider web. Good thing you saw it on time, Matilda. Happy Halloween! Oh no, it's evil Carl Tickle Truck. Wonder what he's up to. Hey Gary, are you picking up the trash? Huh? Give that back. Yikes, Gary's getting angry. Watch out! Hey Tom, evil Carl Tickle Truck had an accident. And he's still unconscious. Can you repair him in your garage? Shall we start the inspection? His bumper is broken. Whoa, what a huge dent. Are you up to the challenge? You should better start. Oops, watch out. That bumper won't unscrew itself. You'll now have to press the good button first. Try stretching out your arm from a distance. Yay! You did it! He's good again. Do you have the right one? Yes, that's it. Finally, that ugly bump. A hammer is perfect. Carl Tickle Truck is finally back to normal. Are you ready to be a good citizen? Looks like Tom is up to something. Aha! A special arm to press the good button, just in case you turn bad again. Thanks for your help, Tom. Bye-bye. Go on, Carl Tickle Truck. Help Gary. It's okay. He's good now and wants to help. See? Nothing to worry about. Oh no, he turned evil again. The special arm saves the day. Hey babies, what a fun game. Hey Crocomile, that ice cream looks yummy. Oops. Sorry, Crocomile. It was an accident. Right, babies? Oh, no. Watch out, babies. Hey. Hey, Tom. There was an accident, and Crocomile slimed the babies. Can you help? Let's tow them to your car wash. Let's free the babies first. Yay! The water gun worked. Time for inspection. Ooh, slime. And slimed tires. Tom, we better start. To start us off, the roller arms section. Babies, ready for some tickling? So much fun. The slime is gone. Bubbles incoming. Whoa, let's burst them. A good scrub will clear the remaining stains. Don't get carried away by the bubbles. Yay! All the mucky slime is gone. It's shower time. How relaxing. Wow! Look at your sparkling clean bodies. Finally, a dryer to finish it off. Enjoying the breeze, babies? You're now perfectly clean. Ready to go out and play? Looks like Tom has something else for you.
Yay!
Aha! A tennis racket just in case Crocomile strikes again. Thanks for your help, Tom. Bye-bye. Let's see who can spray the most water. Oops. Sorry, Crocomile. It was an accident. Barry, quick, use the tennis racket. Look out, Crocomile. Babies, let's help him so he knows we're sorry. Hey, Super Carrier Truck, where are you rushing to? Aha! You're helping Ben take the farm animals to their homes. Aren't you carrying too many animals? Watch out! Your poles are about to cave in. Oh no! You're hurt. Ben, help him. Hey, Tom, there's been an accident. Let's repair him in your garage. Good job, Ben. Please take care of the animals for a while. It's inspection time. Your poles are bent out of shape, and your front bumper is damaged. But Tom is up to the task. Ready to start? Let's start with the poles. There's your welding machine. You'll need to cut off the top platform first. Nicely done. Now let's work on the poles. Looking good. Time for a new platform. Do you have the right size?
Hey.
Yes, that's the one. Perfect. Finally, the broken bumper. Can you pick the right one? You got it. Nice move. You're finally back to your old self. Ready to help Ben with the farm animals? Tom, what are you up to?
Hey.
Aha! A weighing machine to alert you on excess weight. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye for now. Yay! You're finally here.
Hey!
You can raise your platform now. You can't carry the straws. It will be too heavy. That's a warning that you're carrying too much weight. Now you're carrying the correct weight. Yikes! Evil fire truck is back, and he's causing a slimy mess. Hey, Frank, please act fast and stop him. Ah, it's a face-off.
Huh? Huh?
Oh no! You ran out of water! Run!
Oh! Ha! Ha!
Oh no! He trapped you in a slime cube! Hey Tom, Frank is stuck. Can you help him?
Oh, hey! Oh!
Ahem. The water hose will work much better. Good job. Let's help him up and repair him in your garage. It's inspection time. Oh, look. Your siren is broken. Your hubcap is also broken. Tom, ready to fix Frank? Let's start with the broken siren. Do you have the right one for Frank? That's the wrong color.
Yeah!
Yeah, even Frank approves. Nicely done. Finally, the broken hubcap. Okay, Tom, make a choice. Too big. You got it right. Frank is finally back to his old self. Ready to go back and stop evil fire truck? Tom, do you have something else for Frank?
Hey!
Yay!
Aha! An air blower to help you fight off the slime.
Hey!
Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye for now.
Ha!
Frank is here to stop you, evil fire truck. Quick, use your air blower. He's no match for you, Frank. Stuck in your own slime. The park is finally clean. Oh no! Skylar and Brooke had an accident, and traffic is building up. Hey Tom, thanks for helping out. Rescue team is on the way. Hey Matilda, better hurry up and clear the traffic jam. go, Amber. You're almost there. Watch out. Hey, Tom. Matilda and Amber are hurt. Let's help them first. Looks like Amber can still drive, but Matilda is in too much pain. Great. Tom, let's repair them in your garage. Then they can help Skylar and Brooke. Let the double inspection begin with Matilda. Whoa! A flat tire with its hubcap all broken. Your front bumper is also broken. But there's nothing Tom can't repair. It's Amber's turn. That crash broke your headlight, but Tom will fix you both, right? Let's replace Matilda's tire and hubcap. Tom, do you have the right tire? Yes, you do. Time to choose a hubcap. Perfect choice. Well done. Lastly, a new bumper. You picked the right one. Matilda is finally back to her old self. It's Amber's turn. Time to make a selection. Amber has approved your choice. She is finally back to her old self. Ready to go back and help the other cars?
Hey,
Looks like Tom is up to something. Aha! Jumping wheels to help Amber avoid another collision. Bye-bye, Tom. See you later. Look out! Phew! Saved by the jumping wheels. Go on, Amber. Jump over the cars. You can do it. Way to go! Now you can treat Skylar and Brooke. Always be alert when driving.